Good morning, guys. A very good morning to all of you. I hope are you very well and healthy. So today I am presenting our new YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is UnlockCodeTechnology. So in this video, I am give the brief introduction about our YouTube channels, which type of services we have provided. So let's begin. My YouTube channel name is UnlockCodeTechnology. It's specially for CSE person who have some experience and fresher both. These are the few topics for our viewers. Actually, we have providing the technical training related to our subject of CSIT, just like a C, C++, Java, J2EE, Spring Boot, REST API, SQL, PLSQL, Kafka, VMware, Cloud, Amazon Web Services, Docker, GitHub, Linux. Also providing the technical knowledge using slide. We have used for the slide basically in current technology. In this channel, all CSE students get more advanced knowledge to our related fields. I will provide latest technical and practical knowledge for CSIT field. Right. Also, we have providing the interview question answer series for experience and fresher both. All fresher student of CSIT stream so they can easily crack the interview any product based, service based and consulting based. Also sharing our own experience for product based and service based company. Also uploading the HR round series for a particular separate company. We will separate product based IT company interview question and answer. We will sharing in separate service based interview question and answer, consultancy base and product base. Also sharing the current opening. It's the main topic for my video. IT based company, any type like product based and service based. My focus to share the latest technical knowledge for each and every technology and subject CSE IT fields. Also include IT related technology interview question and answer series. So these topics we have to cover in my channel. I will sharing the step by step videos. Suppose I have to share our own experience of TCS, then also we have to sharing the step by step part by videos for interview question and answer series. Right, have any query related to share information, kindly reply me and give the suggestion. You need to separate tutorials for any subject and technology, kindly suggest me and comment me, like me. So kindly and please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for get more updates. Thank you for watching and for given times. My YouTube channel name is UnlockCodeTechnology. It's available on YouTube, so you can easily search by UnlockCodeTechnology on YouTube and you can easily find out my channel. Thank you for giving time. Thank you for watching.